I had this idea to do a cooking series on my YouTube channel based on one particular cookbook. I posted several Pampered Chef cookbooks on my page for everybody to vote on. There were a few votes, but not enough for me to actually make a decision. So this is where I need your help. I am gonna show you the books. I'm gonna read the first couple of recipes from each one. I think that might make it a little easier for people to vote for the one that they think that we should cook from. My plan to do is cook every recipe, every entree recipe from one of these cookbooks, and I'm going to cook 1 to 2 recipes every week. I'm posting those on my YouTube channel. You're going to see step by step the shopping, the preparation, and the result. And then I'm also going to post the exact recipe from the book itself, so you can make it too if you decide to. So let's take a look and see what the first few recipes are in each of these cookbooks, so you can vote for the one that you think I should use for my cooking series. First one is main dishes. There, here. And I'm going to pick one section because there's different things to cook depending on what you want to do. This one, I think we'll do family investments, which is cook once, serve twice. So this would be great for making dinner, and then you get to serve it up again for maybe lunch. First recipe in here is Caribbean pork roast. That sounds really good. The next one is Paradise Pita Pockets, and that is made from the Caribbean pork roast. So that's the second recipe. And then the New England corned beef dinner, which they have a picture if we'd like St. Patrick's Day. And then Reuben quesadillas. So you're using the ingredients from the previous meal to make another meal. So that's that one. This is main dishes, family investments. So if you like that one, vote for main dishes, and we'll do the whole family investment section. The next one is called 29 Minutes to Dinner. This one only has entrees. So we have poultry, fish and seafood, beef and pork, and meatless. All right, the first one is provincial chicken with brown rice. So it's like a roasted chicken with brown rice. All right, we'll go to beef and pork. And one of the recipes there is chimichurri steak salad. Look at that. Okay, and they have others. They have meatless, they have fish and pork. So there's a lot of different recipes in this, and they're all less than 29 minutes. Then we have cooking for 2 or more. The first one is lobster and corn chowder. That sounds pretty delicious. And then sauteed tilapia with almonds, and homemade herbed fettuccine with vegetables, and chicken with caramelized garlic and sage. Yeah, there's a lot of different recipes in here. This would be a really good choice. So if you like it, you like the ones I just mentioned, maybe this would be the one we should cook from. So this one's cooking for 2 or more. Casual cooking. This is for indoor and outdoor, so it's got a lot of grilling recipes for cooking outside. It's summertime, it's time for cooking outside. So the first one is south of the border steaks, and then teriyaki pork kebabs with Asian rice, and lemon chicken with cucumber salsa, and Italian style grilled pizza, grilled rosemary pork chops. So that's the casual cooking. So if you like those recipes, that would be the one you vote for. Last one is It's Good For You. So It's Good For You is focused on trying to stay in the healthy realm, probably like low carb. They have what's called sensational suppers. First thing is Caribbean halibut with mango salsa. Then they have a Parmesan chicken and pasta. And they have a teriyaki pork stir fry, Italian market meatloaf, creamy spinach ravioli. So those are some of the things that are in It's Good For You. It gives you an idea of what kind of recipes are in these cookbooks. Whichever one gets the most votes, that's the one I'm going to be cooking from. I'm going to start with the first recipe and work my way through that cookbook, through the section of entrees. That's what I plan to do. Hurry up and get your votes in so we can tally them up and I can start the first recipe next Saturday.